Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how I achieved um my glue lace. Actually, it's not glue lace. I forgot, it's a half wig. No glue, no left out, nothing. So I started by doing cornrows. So I forgot to detangle my hair. I was thinking and I was like, let me just do something that'll be faster. So I just decided to do a quick cornrows. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you the next step once I'm done with these cornrows. Please keep watching to the end and let me know how I did by commenting. You can comment, like, and you can share to your friend if you think it's useful. But again, as I told you before, I am still new. I'm still new on YouTube. I'm trying to treat my natural hair to see how far I can go with it. This time I want to keep my natural hair. I don't want to relax it, right, Didier? My baby is saying, yes, mommy, we're going to be natural. I decided to go natural because of her. So when I was pregnant, I was like, yeah, I'll never relax my hair again. So yeah, sorry, you did, yeah, stop my video. But yeah, so I was like, no more relax here because now we kind of use the same product. I'm using some products with my baby girl. So this was the finished look of my cornrows. So I'm combing my half wig, and please focus here because that's where usually it's tricky. It's usually tricky. I just put it like how I usually do. I know I've done like two, I believe two or three of my video with how I wear my half wig. I usually leave some hair, but this time I just decided not to leave any because I didn't want to keep ironing my hair, but um by ironing them to strengthen them so they can match my wig. So I kind of wear my half wig, and as you can see, I start pulling with the crochet some of my half wig. Um, as you can see, I'm just trying to pull some here through the line. I left one of my two of my cornrows, so I'm trying to pull it. Yes, baby girl. Um, so right now I don't have a big camera. I have been using my phone because I just started. I'm trying to save for my camera, but as you can see, yes, my love. As you can see, I was trying. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but I'm trying to pull up some of my wig through with my crochet. Um, and yeah, so I'll keep doing the same thing on, and then I will do it on the other side, and then I'll show you the finished look. Yes, my love. Yes, baby girl. You see how it's kind of looking? It's it's already starts coming out the way I want it to look. But yeah, come along with me. Um. So yeah, nowadays I don't even want. I don't. I'm not using an iron or air dryer or stuff like that on my hair because I've used it for last month and my hair can't start looking more straight, like a relaxed hair. Well, I want to go natural, so I was like, okay, let me take a break. So I kind of stopped using it. Nowadays, when I'm wearing a half wig, this is how I'm doing it. I'm just wearing a half wig and then pull some of it on my line, and then I'll show you the end so you can tell me how I did. Baby girl, don't touch my camera. My baby is trying to take a video too. Thank you, mama. Yeah, so I'm planning to make a video with how far my hair have gone next week, probably next weekend. But yeah, that's how it look. Yeah, I didn't use any glue, I didn't leave any hair, and that was my last look. As you can see, it was seamless. You couldn't believe it was in my hair. Yeah, but yeah, please let me know how I did. If you like it, if it's something that you can do, let me know. I love if you're being honest with me, because again, I'm learning. I'm not professional, but I'm learning through YouTube and through my friends and stuff. I think I'm trying to do good. It's not perfect yet, but I'm getting there. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch this far, I really appreciate your support. And you can share my video if you think it's useful. You can give me a like and comment, please. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video. I'm cutting Jadidia's hair. Yes, mama. I'm cutting Jadidia's hair so she can grow, because some of her hair was I will just talk about her hair on the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good one. I love you guys, and thank you for supporting me. I really do appreciate your effort. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, that was the finish look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and I'll make a video as my